Most of the composers that I enjoy performing are the romantic composers. They offer a very large range. They stretch you in so many different ways. There's enormous capabilities to express yourself through the romantics. I was born in London. Both my parents are from Spain, and they were both professional flamenco musicians. My mother was a very fine singer, and my father accompanied her on the guitar. It was a fantastic upbringing. I learned a great deal about music from this, particularly the lyrical and poetic qualities of music. Tip of the bow if you can. Tip of the bow. On the tip. I did study with George Bollett, who had taken some lessons from Moritz Rosenthal, and Moritz Rosenthal was a student of Liszt. 255. Ta-da! I think we need to place that 252. Ba-dam, ba-dam, okay? 62, 63, 4, 5, 6. 66. I've played in 34 different countries in the world, and always found it quite fascinating how people react to music in different ways. It's interesting about the difference between the piano and the orchestra in sound, in colour. Nowadays, the modern piano have taken the manufacturers have taken a particular path where they don't allow a range of sounds. They don't allow you to push a bright sound or reduce it down to a nice mellow sound. The orchestra has remained largely unchanged in that sense. There's an infinite array of possibilities with an orchestra, different colours, different combination. It's all in the balance, it's all in the quality of the sound, understanding where the instruments are strongest, in which particular ranges they're stronger. And so it's a wonderful task of being able to bring out these qualities from an orchestra. Just an injection of an accent and then nothing. It's much more vibrant. Ready? Straight there. Ready? Being a composer myself, I very much enjoy the challenge of getting into a composition right from the core and being able to express it in all its facets in the way I think the composer may have wanted. I particularly enjoy the architecturing a whole piece and finding out where the climax of a composition is.